Hey guys, and welcome to Mad Hatter Magnet Fishing and Mudlarking. Today got a bit of a 2-for-1, if you will. Going maglarking down a river. We're going to be going out to Bockhampton because I need to double check that my scrap's been taken, as I never got a confirmation message the other day. It should be, but I want to go and check to make sure. And then we're going to be maglarking, walking back to town from the village all the way along the river, or as much of it as we can anyway. Catch you in the video. I'm just on my way there. However, we have a river here and we have a river on the other side. So today I'm going to come across and do this one, and then another day I'll come back and walk down that one. Hi guys, so I've come back and I've checked, and as you can see it has been taken, so that's a bonus. Right, we're in. Let's begin. Oh, I've got caught. There we go. Now let's begin. A lovely bit of river. A really gorgeous looking bridge just here as well, actually. To be fair, I don't think I've ever checked under it. I might have a quick little look while we're here before we end off walking down river. What's that? That's someone's bloody magnet. Look, there's a magnet. Yep, 100% just found someone's magnet. Stuck to that, and then I pulled it off. First find, one magnet. It was worth coming to check, wasn't it? Lovely clear water, as you can see. Have a little look under the bridge. Ooh. What? Bit hard getting under here. Oh, we'll leave that. Unfortunately, my bag is stopping me, so we'll leave that one. This one's a bit higher, so I'll go under this then. Although I don't think we're going to see much. Yeah, I'll tell you what, we'll just turn round and do our river walk. But it was worth coming over. As I say, we've just got a magnet. Looks like someone forgot to tighten their arrow bolt on it and lost it. If you happen to be a local who's lost this and you're on my page, let me know and I'll get it returned to you. But for now, it's going in the bag. Okay. And we're going to make our way down this beautiful bit of river. Now, because I've got my rucksack on my back, I don't really want to go more than waist deep, as otherwise my rucksack's going to get, well, it's going to get chewed up and wet, which isn't any good. At the moment I am pretty much exactly waist deep. So, however, I do know that it doesn't get any deeper than this, I'm pretty sure anyway, and it only gets shallower. Have a little look over in the corner here. As always, I'm looking for pottery, bottles and anything that sticks to the magnet. We're right on the edge of a really, really old village, Lower Bockhampton here, and just upstream that way there's actually a really old house and grounds that have been turned into a college. Oh, we are getting a little bit deep here, aren't we? There's some pottery there, but this is way too deep for me to go into it. So I'll just keep having a mooch for now. Having a mooch along. Little look, lovely and clear water, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll turn the camera down a bit so you can actually see through the water with me. We'll check over here quick as well, as this is like an obvious stuff getting washed and caught up sort of space. There might just be a load of logs though. I ain't feeling there's some metal in there yet. Let's check the magnet quick. Oh, we've got a couple items, look. We've got a bright red fishing spinnery lure thing. I think it would have been a treble hook at one point, but it's only got 2 left. And we've got a 5p and a 2p. 2001 I can read on that one. The 5p's too far gone for me to tell. Okay, so we're getting some little bits at least. And it's definitely stuff then. As I said, it's a lovely clean river, so I'm not expecting to get the amount of stuff you get out of a canal, for instance. I just, to be honest, I just wanted to come for the river walk. But, you know me, I'm always in the treasure hunting mindset, so I'll bring the magnet along with me as well while I'm at it. Well, this is a bit quicker here. Now the other side over there is where the path is, so I assume if anyone's going to have magfished it, they'd have magfished it from there, which tells me that coming over to this side is probably going to be more fruitful, as no one's been over it. I could be completely wrong, and it could be that over that side's better because you get more footfall, but we shall just have to wait and see. I think I've got some weight on my magnet now, so I'm going to find a spot to pull over in a second. We'll probably go over to the other side here, and then I can chuck my bag down, empty my magnet, then start off up river again. Right, there's our coins in our lure. What else have we got? We got a stick. Oh, I thought I could feel weight, but apparently I was just feeling the water drag the mag. No worries, we'll get those little finds in the bag. I have got an overflow bag with me as well today, just in case. The lovely floral bag you guys saw me with in my last video. Alright, let's go again. Let's crack back on with it. Ooh. Now luckily the water here isn't quite as strong as it was at the previous river we were at, but it is a bit deeper, so I've got more of it pushing me. So I've got to get a good footing before I take each step, and that way I can plant myself and not get pushed. Ooh, oh, that's just a big log, is it? I thought we had like an old roller there or something then, but no, just a big log. Now this is the widest part of the river. It gets a lot thinner as we get further up, further towards my hometown. Oh, that's got some push in it. I'll move over here where it looks a bit calmer. Plus, where it's calmer might be where stuff's been dropped, so not a bad idea. So this bit's got slightly shallower, but it's still got the same amount of water coming down it. Oh! Which means that it's being funneled and therefore making it a lot harder to walk against. And I don't know if you can see just yet, but I'll show you when we get up there. There is a second tributary just there that's also feeding the river, which is just going to add to the current. Now when I get past that bit, that's private land, so I won't be going that way, but once I get past this bit, it should get a little bit calmer again for me. So I'm going to be walking all the way back, if I can, as far as I can, in the river, from the village back to Dorchester, which is in Dorset, in England. As I said, no idea if we're going to get bits or not. Oh, I think I've got a log stuck to us, yeah. But we're going to give it a go. Got a couple nails and a 10p on there. I'll just leave that all on there for now, I reckon. And we'll carry on. So this is where it starts to get a bit shallower. So it's not quite so much effort to walk up the river, you see. And what's that? There's a big black looking object here. Is it a rock? A rock with a log wrapped around it, that's what it is. That's concrete, isn't it? What's that? Part of something there. Maybe an old roof tile? Something like that, not 100% sure. You alright, mate? Now, a lot of people like to come along here and paddle in the summer, and you get an awful lot of dog traffic along here as well. And so, if I can clear as much as I can, then I know that I'm helping out in that sense too. Oh, we've come to a bit of an impasse here, look. Try, see if we can make our way round and through the tree here. Okay. Right, we're past that tree, but it looks like we've got a bit of a maze to contend with now coming up. I may have to hop out and walk around, but I'm going to do my best not to for now. I'll just keep walking along. Give this bit a bit of a test with the magnet. Looks like a nice spot for stuff to wash up. You never know. I don't feel anything connecting, I don't think. Have a quick look. Still just flakes. Clean bit of river this, but as I said, I'm happy about that. Might not make for the most amazing full-on content, but you know, sometimes it's nice to show this side of it too, and show that our efforts do actually make a difference. Whoa, I think I'm stuck on something. Might have come off of it though. Yeah, it's definitely something magnetic here. There we go, up it comes. Right, our first proper magnet find, look. Oh. And it's, at a guess, I'm in the light, aren't I? At a guess, part of an old fence or something like that. Oh. Ooh, ah. Chuck the bag down. get the metal in the bag. There we go. Right, and then we can move on. Oh, I should have got rid of the 10p in that as well, shouldn't I? Oh well, not to worry. So there are some bits in here then. Right, look, how am I supposed to get through this? I can't get through it that way round, that's for sure. I'll have to come back round here. This is why I said it would be a bit of a maze. Through this tree, round this one, through and past this, if we can. Have a quick dip here, and then carry on our way. Trying to get, oh my gosh, the maze carries on. The maze carries on. I've got to figure out my way through that lot now. Right, let's come over this way. There's a nice calmer section here. We'll check this with the magnet. I haven't seen a single bottle yet. Seen a couple flakes of ceramic, but that's it. I was expecting a bit more, to be honest. Right, how am I supposed to do this bit then? Try coming around this way maybe? Yeah, I think we're going to have to come around this way and then climb over this log, if I can. Right, I'm up and over that. Get the magnet over it. And then, okay, we're through. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's all private land that way, so we're not going to go that way, we're going this way. And this is where the river starts to get thinner. Ooh, what have we got there? We've got a nice old file on there, look. It's quite a cool find. Sweet, I'll chuck that back on the mag for now. And once I've found my way through this lot, I'll pull over on the edge and take everything off again. Right, through there. Let's have a quick dip round here because it looks like a good place for stuff to come off. Oh, I think there's a dog ball just there. Possibly. There's a little bit of a bridge area here too, so this might be quite a good place to try quickly. Because you never know, things can get washed under and through. I don't think we got anything extra on that one. Right, we'll pull over to the side quick. And then, what on earth? What is that? Oh, there's a great big pipe just there. I don't know if you can see it. Massive, great big pipe there. Not metallic. There's another great big bit here. It might be the same pipe, actually. Oh, I see. Oh, alright. Seems it's the only one I've seen. I'm going to get wet for it. See if I can get it. Oh. Yes. Oh, it's a little bit chipped, but I'm taking it because it's the only one I've found. Look at that, nice old, was it a nice old cream pot? Something like that. Bit of ceramic. I suppose it could have been a lid, but I think it was a pot for like face cream or something like that. Cool. I guess this is the right time to pull over and pack the bag in. Okay, in goes the file, in goes the pot, in goes the 10p, and also the nails. Well, I might as well roll my other sleeve up now, hadn't I, to be fair. Okay. So there was something to mudlark then, or riverlark, not just maglarking. That's cool. Oh, very clear here, very lovely and clear. There's lots of interesting looking things, but none of it I believe is stuff that we're particularly looking for. I think it's all just bits of natural. Oh, there's an old can there, but I can't grab it on. Oh my lord, how am I going to get through that? I don't think I am going to get through that, am I? I'm going to have to find myself a way out quick. Maybe. Whoa. Okay, I might actually be able to get round using this bit of bank. Okay. Hello. Hello. Check it with the mag quick, just in case, you never know. Could be anything hiding down here. Anything. At the moment I've got quite a lot of nature to contend with to get down this river, but it's all part of the fun really, isn't it? Oh, I bashed my head off the tree. Oh well, could be worse. I could have like knocked myself out on the tree. Right, okay, that will lift up, cool, which lets me through. What's that? Just a bit of bark. Oh. It's a really nice walk along this. That looks interesting. Is that part of an old wall that's just in the river here, or what am I looking at there? Yeah, I think it is. Feels like brick. Oh. There's loads of old broken bits of wall and stuff in here, look. There's part of a plastic fork there. Oh, I'm getting fir tree to the face. Oh my lord. Right. I want to be over the other side by the path, but the trees aren't letting me. Okay. Oh, loads of great big bits of slate in here as well. I don't know if you can see that. There's just a great big slate tile, massive. So I hope you're all happy, healthy and all the rest of it, as I usually say. And if you're not, then I hope you get happy, healthy and all the rest of it rather quickly. As I can assure you that nobody wants you to be unwell or unhappy, especially not within this community. Positive vibes only, guys. Positivity for the win. Obviously we all have down days. Depression can be a bit of an arse, if I'm honest. I know that, speaking from experience. If anyone ever needs to chat, you're more than welcome to drop me a message. I can also point you towards different mental health charities, and they aren't all the same. Although it makes you think that, oh, it's just going to be someone, they aren't all the same. You can find one that's right for you, and they will help you the way that's best for you. Shout out to Ollie Barnes, One Man, One Magnet, and Andy Man's Club for that lot. Is that metal or is that... Oh, yeah, we got something. Not what we want in the water at all. I believe that to be a great big old battery. So, we'll be getting that gone, along with the freshwater leeches. Yeah, getting that gone for sure. Also, a shout out to towpath dippers. I hope you get your car sorted soon, mate, for your sake. Shout out to Sleaford dippers. Shout out to Magnet Mad Mum and Dad. Shout out to Real Deal Magnet Fishing. There's loads of you guys, and I'm really sorry if I forget any of you. 10 Magnet Fisher, shout out to him. He's doing some hot sauce challenges and chili challenges and all sorts at the minute, raising awareness for charities and whatnot. Speaking of raising awareness for charities, as I've just shouted out Magnet Mad Mum and Dad, they're also going to be running this year's Battle of the Sexes event in the UK for magnet fishers. I believe that's in aid of bowel cancer, so definitely check that out. If you can get there and join over the fun, then please do. I'm going to be trying, but I can't make any promises, unfortunately. But as I said, I will try my best to get there. There's loads more of you to shout out. Squirrels Magnet Fishing and Outdoors. Who else have we got? That's going to be it for the shout outs today, guys, as I can't remember. If I've forgotten you, don't feel sad. I promise you I love you just as much as the rest. Alright. Well, we're coming to a bridge here. I'm going to have to hop out and walk myself round. Oh look, you can see a load of old broken brick. Maybe part of an old bridge at one point, or something like that. I reckon I'll have a quick check round here before we hop out. Oh! I didn't even realise that we've been dragging along a fence post the entire way. Put that down a second. We've been dragging along a big old electric fence post the entire way with us. Kind of cool. Put that there a sec, check the mag. What else we got? We got bits of barbed wire, and that's pretty much it for now. Right, I'll catch you guys when I'm on the other side of the bridge. Okay, trying to walk down using this tree sort of like steps. Okay, we're in. So I've managed to miss this entire bit here, so I'm just going to have a quick walk back. Not expecting to find anything, but you never know. If you miss bits, then you miss finds, don't you? Yeah, no, I think we're good. We'll start making our way upriver again. What's that? Oh gosh, barely movable is what that is. There we go. Oh, I think that's another style electric fence post. A great big stake part on it there. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be here, so I'll leave it there. Now, this bit's super duper shallow, as you can see. Barely over my ankles. Well, that might be good for mudlarking. If we spot anything. Oh. Making our way through. Oh. Trying to dodge all the trees again. Oh no, there's a bloody barbed wire fence coming up, look. Well, that's no good, is it? How do I think I'm going to get around this then? Oh, here. We'll get round this way. Somehow. Oh. Oh gosh. Right. Okay. Ooh, slipped into the river. Right, we got round that barbed wire fence. Oh, wow. Right. I have to get out again. There's an entire tree blocking my path. Look. I can't get through that, can I? No chance. Luckily there is a little exit here, so we'll be alright. Okay, I'm back in. It doesn't look like we've got anything in our way for a little bit at least. So that's good news. None of this hopping in, hopping out business. There's a vape pen. We'll get that out of the water. Health bar, blue sour raspberry. Oh. So if you don't know, these have got, I can't remember the bloody word for it now, but these have got nasty batteries in. So even once the vape liquid's been used up, the battery has still got a load of life left and it will leak straight into any waterway that you decide to throw it into. So please don't throw your vapes, oh gosh, in the water. Please dispose of them correctly. Look how clear this is. It's almost like there's no water. Loads more old brick structure under the water here. Got to climb over the tree. Oh, what's that? That looks interesting. Oh no, it was an old bottle, but it's smashed. give it a wash out and I'll show you guys. Look, see if I can get it in there. See a little man on there. Pool written around the bottom. Quench your drinks. Quench your drinks of pool. And there was a little man embossed on the top there, maybe on a horse, not entirely sure. That's a real shame, but I'll take it with me to get it cleared out of the water. What's that? That's just a brick. Oh, I've left me a magnet. I've got two infused in the bottles and left me a magnet, look. I'll pull over to the side in a minute and sort it all out. Oh, yeah, okay, we'll pull over to the side now and sort it out. Right, bottle, vape. What did we get on this? Bit of fencing again. Big bit of fencing. There's 2 large pieces of fencing now. Right, I'll get this all packed away and then I'll get back with you guys. Ah, I didn't notice, but we also got a weird triangular shoe. So I wonder if that's a boot plate for like a pointed smart shoe or something like that. It's quite cool. Loads of old bricks in here. Although guessing on, or judging rather, on my finds bottle wise, I would assume at least one person, if not multiple people, have come down River Larking here before. As I thought there'd be a little bit more. But evidently not. Oh, too much tree in my face and spider's web. Nice. Get that out my face quick. Okay, round all of the trees. And off into this bit of the wilderness. It looks like we might get blocked up along here. I'll have to wait and see. If we can make our way through, then we will. It all depends on how flexible the branches are, basically. No, we're not going to make it through this one. We're going to get out for this bit. We've got a couple of items on here though. There's another penny, is it? Oh, 2p. 2p and a hair clip. Barbed wire. And bit of pipe. Let's say the barrel from an old gun, why not? Oh, and a square nail on there as well, actually, as you can see. Right, I'm back in on this side of this bridge. It's a different bridge to the one that I left you guys at, but it was non-accessible on the other side of that bit of river, so I've walked slightly further up to get to this bit, which is accessible. And this is the last little section that I'm going to be doing before we hit Dorchester. So we'll see if we can find any bits here. And then there will be, as I've already mentioned, another upcoming section of where I walk the other side of the path in the other river and see what we can find there. What is that? Hang on, bear with me here, guys. I've got to try and break. Whoa! What on earth was that? That was slippy. What am I standing on? Am I standing on brick or cobblestone by the looks of it? That's why it's slippy. Right, yeah, hang on a minute. I'm just going to break through this bush and I'll be right back with you guys. Nothing interesting. Just bricks. It looked like bottles. But no, just bricks. Oh, have I just picked something up? No. Okay, that was strange. Felt like I had, but obviously not. Is that a key? See if I get it on the magnet. Oh, there's something magnetic pulling me down here. I can't see what, but that looks like a key. Let's see if I can get to it or not. Oh, it's just too deep. Oh, I might just sacrifice my clothes and see if I can grab it anyway. And now I can't even see what there it is. Right, it is a key. A really, really old one. And it wouldn't come up on the magnet. Weirdly. So that's got to be made of what? Pewter? Or lead maybe? LF. Oh, I'm not sure. There's some writing on it there. If I can clean it up at home. Oh, it would have been copper lined at one point, look. If I can clean it up at home, I will. And I'll let you guys know what it says. Well, there was something else magnetic down here, but I'm just going to check in the corners and stuff quick, see if we can find what else was magnetic in a minute. Just there. That's where I'm getting a pull, but I can't see anything under the water, which is kind of strange. Is it that item? Or is it something under that item? Strange. See if I can flip any of these rocks, or if they're all just stuck in. Might not be able to get anything out because it's concreted in. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get whatever that is, but that's no problem. We got this cool key, so we'll move on and see what else is down here. Happy with the key though, that's a cool find. Now let me just put it in my little front pocket quick. There we go. In my waders. And we'll carry on. See what else we can find. I say that all the time, don't I? It's like I've got certain bloody catchphrases now. Accidentally. Salad snagging, and we'll carry on and see what else we can find. And bloody hell, that seems to be my top 3 things I say. If you guys disagree and you think there's something else that I come out with more than that, let me know. I'd be interested to hear your opinions. As I say, it's all just non-intentional, just comes out, you know. Oh. So again, super clear water on this section, and it's really pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. I should really try and check the banks, I guess, or up against the sides of the banks, but they're hard to get to because they're really overgrown. We might just have to leave the banks for now. I'm as much sight fishing here as I am mag fishing, you see. Looking for things. This is the bonus when you walk upriver like this. Anything that you disturb, silt wise, goes behind you, so you can still see what you're looking at. Whereas if I was walking downriver, it'd all be going down with me and I wouldn't be able to see anything. What's this lot? It's just random bits of tree and stuff, is it? Looks like it. Always worth checking, you never know if stuff's washed up. Let's have a look. We've got a square nail, some bits of wire. There's the nail. There could be anything in here though. Or there could be nothing. I mean, it's completely new zone for me to come maglarking in, so I thought I'd just give it a go really. You know, I could just have stood there umming and ahhing about it for ages, but I thought just get in and give it a go, man. It's the best way to figure out if it's worth doing or not, isn't it? Whoa! There was a hole down there. Coming up to a load of trees again. It's alright, we'll find our way through, I'm sure. Ah! Thorn to the ear. Move that out of the way. And up and under this one. And the same again for that one. Oh, this one's going to be awkward. This one's going to be very awkward, isn't it? Actually, I might be able to scooch around and through. Looking at it, if I turn my back to the bank here, I might be able to turn around without having to bend down so low that I get my bag soaked as well. Ooh. Yeah, I think I can just about get through. I think. Ooh. Yeah, we're through. Okay. There's enough obstacles in this river though. That's for sure. Mag's still looking quite clean on this one. So we'll just keep it moving for now. Have a quick dip down here, see if anything's washed up. Don't look like it. It's getting a bit deep here. Now, to be honest, I thought this section would have actually held more than the other section. But it appears, no, I'm wrong. How deep are we about to get here then? I don't want to get too deep. Right, okay. Walkable still, not a problem. Got my bloody nose running again. Oh. Yeah, so whilst you guys have been able to look, if you happen to have spotted something that I've not, do let me know, because I can come back and I can try find it. There's something that doesn't look like it's supposed to be in here. Is it magnetic though? Maybe a little? Minor amount? What is it? Try and get it up the side. Oh, it might be a sign. An old sign. Yeah. That's exactly what it is. Some sort of an old sign. Oh look, it's a water level gauge. You see that? That's cool. We'll keep that one. That's a random bit, isn't it? It's a cool bit of reclaimed artwork that I'll use that for. You see, there's stuff everywhere. To an extent, anyway. A great big log here. Quickly run my mag along the edge of it, just in case. Didn't feel anything pop on. Oh, there's loads of snag areas down under here, isn't there? By snag areas, I mean areas that stuff could have got snagged, not where we're going to get snagged. Well, you guys can't really see much, can you? Because of the glare, the angle you're at. Let's try to do that. Well, that's no better. Now you're just staring at me. You just have to deal with it, I'm afraid, guys. It is what it is. Because of the sun. Right, now the glare's gone. I'll lift you up and you guys can watch what we're walking along now. Did I get something then? Maybe a little something. We'll wait and see. Ooh. So I am coming up to a mini waterfall, which you can't really see because of how high the river is at the minute. It's not much of a waterfall at the minute, it's just part of the river really, but that is what I'm actually coming up to. So this is going to be where we're going to have to get out. I can't walk any further than this because that bit of waterfall is it's all private after that. Oh, we've got some bits on here. Square nail and a massive bit of barbed wire at the minute. I say massive, that was a bit of an exaggeration really, wasn't it? But you know what I mean. I expect the water's probably going to get quite quick along here as well, as there's a lot of flow coming down towards me. There's some fishing line. Is that fishing line or is that spider's web? No, that's spider's web. I'll leave it be then. Oh, have I just stuck on something? Or was I just caught in the rock bits maybe? Oh, we got some bits. We got some sheet metal if nothing else. I won't just be grabbing anything else. So I said I am going to have to get out here. I'll just see if I can walk over to the water level sign and show you a comparison to what we got compared to that one. I don't think I'm going to be able to get all the way over there, but yeah, see the sign just there? That's what that's part of, or would have been part of. Probably not that exact one, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. Okay, we'll make our way over to the end here then. This is where we're going to have to get out, if we can. And we'll have a check of the mag as well. Get the mag up there first. Okay. Then get myself up there. Oh. And just the other side of those trees is Dorchester, so we pretty much made it all the way back without any issues. Oh. Okay. Right. Get through the gate. Let's see. Bits of roofing. Loads of bits of roofing. Bit of pipe work. Square nails, scraps, just scraps really. So just so you guys are aware, I also pulled out this little twisty wing nut thing. I'm not sure what it's for, but it's got a brass wing nut on it. Thank you all for joining me in today's adventure, and as always I'll be sure to catch you in the next one.